Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. and today I have my adorable sous chef Sophie. We're going to make some Korean noodles. Say hi to everyone, Sophie. For this recipe, guys, you're just going to need one product from our store. It is the gochujang infused olive oil, and this just has a beautiful spice with the umami. If you don't know what's in gochujang, or usually what's found in gochujang paste, it is the Korean pepper, it is fermented soybeans, rice, and salt. So just gives it that kind of soy saucy, spicy. I love it. I love it so much. I use it with my eggs too. So a lot of this recipe is kind of up to you and what you like. For our sides, we were actually just cooking up some bok choy. Because I wanted some extra protein, I also cooked up some hard-boiled eggs. For the noodles, you can use any kind of noodle you want, whether it's a rice noodle or wheat noodle. We decided just to do a ramen-style noodle, and we have those cooked up and ready to go. So let's head over to the stove, and we're gonna work on our sauce. So I've got my pan set to almost high heat. Normally in making this kind of cuisine, what they do is they heat up their garlic and onion and then they add the really hot oil to it to kind of scald it and cook it really fast. But because we're dealing with olive oil, we want to bring it up to high heat at a slow rate. We do have our gochujang olive oil in here of 3 tablespoons, so we're going to let that heat up first. Tester onion is telling us it is ready, so at this point I'm going to be adding the 6 cloves of minced garlic that's here, as well as we did 3 stalks of green onion. I'm just using the whites. We separated the greens from the whites. So let's get this in here. You want to let your garlic and onion cook for until they are fragrant, or just about a minute. Garlic is just starting to turn brown. Next thing I did was I turned my heat down to minimum. I have this little sauce mixture here of 3 tablespoons soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Just going to add that to this. It's going to make a nice little sizzle. Mix it around just a little bit. Oh my goodness, the smell coming from this. Now you can add your noodles. Might get a little messy. You might fling some things here and there. Honestly, it's the smells for me that is just making me so ready to dive in. I'm just going to grab a little bit of my egg here. The noodles. Sauce perfection. Most importantly though, we need to see what Sophie thinks of this. Sophie?
What do you think? What do you think of the dish? Want to come smell it? Sophie? Smell?
Nope, she's not interested. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. We will see you guys next time.
Say hi, Sophie.
So I have no, I'm not going to do anything because the camera's on. If you don't know what's in gochujang, it is the Korean peppers and fermented salt, rice.
Oh, what's that? What's that? It's food.
Nothing. Stage fright.